I'm sure.
Is it recording already?
It is recording. Unboxing!
Alright, doing an unboxing video today. It's from Karen to Andrew. That's Karen, I'm let's see.
Hi. Just hot Cheetos.
That's what I always wanted.
These were hard to get. I had to swim across them. Just kidding.
Limited edition extra hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Don't play. Paper.
What is this?
I don't know. You're gonna break it.
It's fragile.
Just kidding. It's not fragile.
Nice paper.
It's fancy paper.
Whoa.
What? I'm extra?
The nice presentation. 10 out of 10 presentation. Wow. This is cool. How open?
I know, it's super tight. Sorry. You need scissors, I got scissors.
I got it. It's super tight.
There goes the wrapping. Goodbye wrapping. Oh damn. Jeez. Okay, don't look at the sides, okay?
What is this?
Don't look at the sides.
What is this?
Just don't look at the sides.
How am I supposed to?
You just open the box.
What is in the box? Just open it from here.
I guess.
What is this?
Just take it out when you're thing.
Oh!
Happy birthday!
Thank you. I had a feeling.
Why? Because I know it's
small. That's where you got it?
I don't know. Okay, that's high key ran.
Oh no no.
Oh! I was gonna buy a frame. That's why I was looking at Urban. But hey.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you. Thank you. Love you. Thank you. Love you. The unboxing. Wow.
Yay, new wallet.
Be nice.
Super.
What's up, y'all?
Scare!
What's up, y'all? We out here shopping for our new crib, and the agenda today is looking for a new couch for our living room, and hopefully a dining table, and let's go.
What the fuck? Have you been practicing or something? On the vlog! Here, go again, go
It's
again.
not gonna happen again.
It is, it is, it is.
See, there, this one. There. Third time's the charm. You have to get this one.
Ooh, we should have that.
What? Whoa.
That's
That's
cool. You suck.
Are you good?
You suck now. Almost.
My lips are ashy. I got new nails. And it won't fucking open.
That shit about to hurt the next day. Anyways, before God. Okay.
Hey,
you have
vlog.
this lighting
Okay,
highlight. I'm dead.
Who is this? I don't
I
know.
don't know. Who the fuck is
Who
you?
is it? Lost.
Dang. I did that. Okay.
Good vlog. Today it's Monday, October 23, and y'all, it's fucking hot outside. Let me see what degrees it is right now. It's currently 95 degrees. Apparently highest it'll get today is 96. Dang. But it's currently 95 and my car says 77, but I'm pretty sure it's because my car is inside the garage. But yeah. Wow, lighting is bad. Thought I would do like a talking portion because I kind of miss talking to the camera. And honestly, I'm gonna say this in every clip, but I don't know when I'm gonna edit this. So when you see this, what's up? But yeah, what was I saying? So went to class today, had a bio test, my second exam for bio, and it wasn't that bad as my first one. Well, like how I felt about it, I felt really good about this one, so hopefully I did good. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna meet. I'm gonna go to Roey's house. Roey's gonna drive to 356 KBBQ. I think that's what it's called. It's in Mission Valley, but I've been wanting to try that place out forever, and their lunch deal is $15.99. It's unlimited for 2 hours, and that's a pretty good deal. And I don't have work Monday, so I was like, oh, why not? And she hit me up yesterday to go, so yeah, that's my afternoon plans for today, and then maybe meet up with Drew after or so. I do have to buy a couple things and run errands, so we'll see what happens with that. And then today's also Christine's birthday, Tin's birthday, so I have to go to Dave & Buster's later, maybe around like 8-ish to eat for her birthday dinner, whatever. But yeah, that's that. Is super hot, so I'm gonna go drive to Roey's now. See y'all in a few. Their license plate says so petty. The fuck? That's so funny. Say hi to the vlog. Hello. I don't vlog anymore, but I know I suck at life. This is the place we're gonna try. It's called 356 KBBQ. He is on a paddleboard. This is so cool. So lame. Gee. Lunch special. So far. She cooking or whatever. They got French fries as a sauce. I'm just saying. That's so cool. This is cheese fondue. Okay. And it's pretty bomb. Whoa. Ah. I don't like green tea, but we're gonna try this. It's weird. What the fuck? This is the final product. It looks weird. Oh my god. I don't know. Okay. Let's try. How much should I try by itself? It's green tea. Okay. Cheese. Okay, it's fucking hot. Can you taste it? Not really. want to taste this. I'll start putting my teeth. I mean, it's actually good. Oh, weird. But I don't taste the green tea. I'm so tired and I'm waiting. I'm gonna ride with Charmaine. Charmaine, it's weird. Let's clarify, but I call her Ming, okay? So I'm gonna ride with Ming to Dave & Buster's for Tin's little dinner. I ate a whole ass meal earlier and I totally forgot we were going, and I guess that saves me money. I'll probably just buy like a drink or something. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Ming. She's gonna go home and shower. She just got off work, and then she'll let me know when to slide through. So I'll be waiting. I've been waiting for like ever though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so excited, y'all. Animal Crossing is now on mobile devices, or I don't know, see to the end of the video, but
really outdid himself this
what am I doing?
Always match. Check this out. They got Supreme collab with Lamb Shoulder.
Oh my god. What do I do? Just kidding.
We just finessed. We could have got a large and finessed. Fuck.
Yo, we out here. We got free soju because the fucking service sucks.
Fuck.
Whatever.
I feel guilty. Boom gang. It is crowded and that's for the petting zoo. Oh, it's so small though. Oh, you think?
What's his name? Summer.
It's summer.
Welcome to my petting zoo. And she just said puppy.
Puppy.
I'm just kidding.
Don't trick me. Don't trick me.
I'm not trying to get kicked out of here.
We better get kicked out. What do we have here?
We're about to have a free goat. Hold on. Why is this on page though?
This one bites. Invisible goat.
Rare invisible bunny. This is a bunny cage.
Huh.
Oh, so cute. He's looking. Wow.
It has a dog collar.
He wants to escape.
Let him free.
I'm scared. Why is he so still? You don't want to pet
He's
him.
about to bite. Thank you. He looks so sad.
Oh, he's so cute, buddy.
He's thinking. It's in like shock right now.
He's going through something. I have to comfort him.
Look, he's not moving at all.
He looks like he's gonna cry. Oh, you weak. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all got some issues? Hey, it's lit. He just shitted. Oh, he's trying to hit me. Like, I don't have the patience like this.
Jordan picture.
Hi. Oh, fuck. We out here. This is high-key vomiting. Hey, if I... Oh, this shit high as hell. There you go. At the same time. But I'm not holding hands, I'm holding up. Okay. Ready? Oh my god, how many? You wanna go? Oh my god. We really out here. Okay.
I'm still thinking about this.